Have you tried to color croissant before? This recipe is incredibly delicious and very easy. Save it and try it for your loved ones. A half cup water 1 to 5 ml. Prefer warm water. 1 cup warm milk 1 to 5 ml. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. 1 cup vegetable oil 1 to 5 ml. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. One egg. Stir again. Flour and some salt. I used 500 grams of flour, in total about 3.5 cups. Vanilla syrup. Mix it with the spatula first. Then knead well with your hands. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? Is this your first time seeing my channel? I cut the dough in half. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of cocoa and 1 tablespoon of milk to half the dough. Knead the cocoa dough well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow new and delicious recipes. Cocoa dough is ready. Cover the dough and ferment for 40–45 minutes. First, remove the plain dough to the counter. Pack the dough. Grow the dough very little. Turn the other side. Place the cocoa dough on the plain dough. Close the plain dough as in the video. Keep the closed part of the dough at the bottom. Open the dough with a rolling pin or roller as in the video. Divide the dough you opened in half. Then cut into strips. Cut the strips you cut into triangles in the middle. Cut the ends of the dough very little. Fill them with spreadable chocolate filling. Wrap in croissant shape. Wrap the dough slightly lengthening. Thank you very much for your likes, comments and channel subscription. The kids are looking forward. Are they all chocolate? Try this recipe and write me in the comments. I prepared all the croissants. Put milk on them. Milk will make them blush better. Bake at 185 C365F in a heated oven for 20–25 minutes. Apply melted butter on hot croissants. They are delicious with butter. Delicious, two-colored chocolate croissants ready to eat. I'll cut the croissant and show you the inside. Try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.